Hey guys, thank you so much for coming to my channel. My name is Ashley. This is my first video ever on YouTube, so I'm really excited. And if you want to see how I got this Valentine's Day look, please keep watching. First, I'm going in with my Smashbox primer, and you want to rub that in really well. Then I'm using my Lancome foundation, and I'm just patting that all over my face. And if you need to add more, you always can. Just make sure you blend it in really well. You don't want it to be cakey. Then I'm spraying my beauty blender with a rose water spray and patting that in. Then I'm taking my NARS concealer and just putting that all in the high points of my face, under my eyes, on my forehead, on my chin, and then I'm taking my beauty blender and just patting that all back in. Then I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm just adding a little bit more of that highlight around my nose. Then I'm taking my Laura Mercier Under Eye Loose Powder and fluffing that in. Then I'm taking my Ben Nye Banana Powder with a fluffy tapered brush, and I'm just patting that into my skin as well. Then I'm taking my BH Cosmetics palette with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow brush, and I'm just using the powders Then I'm taking my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette with a large fan brush, and I'm going to contour my face. So you want to get the hollows of your cheekbones, and I like to push it up just a little bit. And you want to get your jawline. And I like to contour around my chin. And then I like to contour my nose to make it appear smaller. And I'm using the last two of the light colors, the peach and the yellow. And I'm just putting this next to the contour to really make that stand out. Then I'm taking my Naked Heat palette and a Morphe blending brush. I'm just taking that lightest color and blending it on my brow bone. Then I'm going in with Chaser, and I'm doing that right underneath my brow bone. I'm dragging it down just a little bit and concentrating on my outer corner. Then I'm going in with Cayenne, and I'm doing that right below what I just did with Chaser. And once again, concentrating on my outer corner and dragging it down on my lid a little bit. Then I'm going in with Ashes and En Fuego. And once again, concentrating on my outer corner, dragging it into my crease just slightly. And then I'm blending it all out and dragging it over in my crease. Then I'm going in with my Morphe G18, I believe. The numbers have come off a little bit. And I'm just taking a little bit more of that Enfuego and Ashes mixture. Cranberry by Smolder Cosmetics. Y'all, these eyeshadows are insane. They're so pigmented, so pretty. Then I'm going in with Peony, and yes, I did have to YouTube how to say that word correctly. And I'm just placing. And then I'm just blending that out with a Morphe blending brush. And I'm gonna go in with Rosé on the inner corner of my eye, and I'm just kind of blending that out and taking it up in the crease a little bit. On forever. I washed my face twice and I still had stuff on my lips. Then I'm going in with Tonic's Lip Liquor. Y'all, I am so obsessed with it. I'll have to write the name of the color in the comments because right now it's in my purse because I am so obsessed. It stays on so well and it's the perfect shade. I want to say it's nude. It's a really pretty light pink. It looks great. I did this little ombre lip with it. That is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you guys. Bye.